Hey guys, as I was editing this video, I realized how much of a mess it was, and I'm so sorry about that. There's kind of clips here and there and everywhere, but I haven't uploaded for 2 weeks, and I just want to post something. So I hope you still like the video, and yeah.
Today.
It's only like -5 though. I'm restarting the vlog, by the way, Dad. I'm restarting the vlog since you insulted my first time. Hello everybody. We're starting off the vlog today at Costco. We're buying toilet bowl cleaner. So yes, my dad's laughing at me. But yeah, anyways, I got iced tea. Turn it on.
It doesn't turn on.
I decided for tonight that I want sushi, so I'm gonna make avocado sushi. My sushi is done, and now I'm gonna do a taste test of my own sushi. Very good. It's so good. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I'm at a bowling alley, and it's like 10 p.m. and we're just bowling. So, yes. You wanna be my vlog, Michael?
What?
Wanna be a vlog? This is
up?
Michael. I've known him since the day I was born.
She's
Literally.
only 100 days younger than me.
Yeah. But right now we're bowling.
I'm 100 days smarter than her.
No. Oh. You see that?
Right?
Yeah, I just got a strike. See? What was that? Nice one. Yes, we're here.
Hi! Oh! How are you? Good, how are you? I'm good. How did you come here?
We got 3 different orders for 3 different coupons. Asian. Hey, Kayla. Look what I had delivered today. It is a massage chair, and it is the most extra amazing massage chair ever. If you know me at all in real life, you know that I love massages, and this has 0 gravity. Like, this massage chair is the love of my life. Sorry I haven't had a lot of clips in this vlog. I'm not really used to always pulling my camera out wherever I go. It's kind of like awkward to vlog. Not awkward, but like it's just not a skill that I've acquired. I'm going to the massage chair now. Going to leave you here. Hopefully this you can see. Yeah, I think you can see. What up guys? I'm eating a popsicle, and it's really good. This is my favorite popsicle. But anyways, I have dance right now, and it's like really close to the time I have to leave. And I've just been like eating a popsicle, because when you eat a popsicle, you can't do anything else. I'm not ready for dance. I just thought I'd look good with you. This is giving me major flashbacks to the first time I did this video, the get ready with me for dance. I thought I'd do a get ready with me for dance, just kind of talk and stuff. I think all my videos are cringy, but like when I look back at that video, I cringe so hard. I cringe at all my videos, but hey guys, right now we're at the Forks, and we came here because there's a vintage pop-up shop upstairs. We only found 1 thing each because we thought we were gonna find more, but it looked better on the social media than it did in person, but it's okay. We're eating food now. Macy got butter chicken and rice, and then Julie got nothing. I'm eating this souvlaki, and I'm eating it. It's really good. And we're talking about how Tristan Thompson cheated on Khloe Kardashian, and there's like a whole bunch of I hope comments, and it's so funny.
My personal favorite is I hope your daughter calls you Lamar. I hope Skip Intro on Netflix doesn't appear for you. I hope Black China finds you and goes after you with a stroller. I hope someone eats your leftovers that you were thinking about all day.
Okay, you go first.
You go first.
Stacey.
I gave you my phone. That's the deal.
Okay. You guys can go first. Be something to decide. Yes, I'm sorry. I know we're indecisive. Okay, we're getting ice cream right now, and there's a lot of flavors. So that's why we don't know what to get.
I always get vanilla.
Let me see, what are you gonna get?
Cookie dough. Other than chocolate chip, that's my favorite.
I always get mint chocolate chips, so I think that's what I'm gonna get.
Mint chocolate chip.
Yeah. What's wrong with that? I got mint chocolate chip ice cream, and Macy got cookie dough, and Julie got nothing. Macy and I are very impulsive on our food spending. Julie is smart with her money.
We balance it out now. I bought more food than you bought ice cream.
Hey guys, so I just got back from Macy's place, and I wanted to show you the sweater that I got from Twin Flames. So it's just this like green sweater. It looks a little off on camera, but it's like this really nice green color, and it has this like cool logo in it. I think it's a beach. I think it looks cool, and it's really oversized, as you can see.
Wrist looking like it been dipped, dipping that, dipping that, dipping that. Script looking like it been flipped, flipping that, flipping that, flipping that.